Can you see yourself in the 2020 Nissan Altima? With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, premium sound system. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.